Welcome to day 19 of Vlogmas, another day for what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher personal points plan. And I'm going to take you along on what I do in the day. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day to help me lose over 100 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a day 19 of Vlogmas. We're going to do what I eat in the day and what I do in the day. I think I'm going to go to the mall and do a few things. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, come on along and share the day with me. And first, breakfast. So today is for sure this day. A new set of points for the day. So today's breakfast, I am having a 3/4 cup of oatmeal that I heated in 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And I topped it with some cinnamon. And I sweeten it with this low-calorie, sugar-free maple flavored syrup. About 2 tablespoons is 0. Then I'm going to top it with some of this birthday cake granola made by Safe and Fair. I bought it at Target. And I'm putting 15 grams, which I weighed out, on top to give it some crunch. And that is going to be my breakfast this morning. Give me some fullness and get me ready to go so I don't so I stay within my points today. I'm also going to have a 1-point iced coffee, so I'll put the points for this breakfast on the screen. Getting in the Christmas spirit at the mall. So pretty. Hustle and bustle. Let's go, Maddie! Woo! Jump high. Jump high. See you later. Oh, goodbye. Push off.
Push up.
You're like an astronaut. Mall food, burger, little burger. Let's count it as 16 points.
Can we just get some glue? Can we make a gingerbread cookie? So you could eat it.
Like you're eating. 2 points for that liquid. So that's going to be it for today's day 19 video. I had ended up with 24 points, and I didn't eat that good of food. It was mall food after all. And we did some holiday stuff at the mall. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.